Cloudform. LightArt's new integrated ceiling system reimagines acoustics and lighting in one cohesive solution. From triangles to trapezoids, Cloudform brings visual rhythm and acoustic performance together. With sound absorption over 1 NRC, Cloudform tiles help define and create ceiling systems that are functionally placed wherever you need them. With a thoughtfully selected range of colors, prints, and LED lighting options, Cloudform gives designers the freedom to craft ceiling planes that balance form, function, and illumination. Cloudform lighting is a versatile, high-capability system with an integrated LED source that delivers powerful and efficient illumination. In addition to the individual cable suspension option, the new engineered grouping frame kit ensures precision alignment, seismic stability, and fewer hanging points, so your vision holds up from concept to completion. Easy to clean, mold and mildew resistant, made in the USA and compliant with the Build America, Buy America Act. Incorporate light and color while minimizing sound. Cloudform by LightArt.